That'll come back probably.
It will. Maybe. I don't know.
We don't know what.
Thank you for
An old bus. That's a caravan.
Yeah, it's all storage unit in there.
It's an old car.
Oh wow. Wow, two of them.
Right, oh, it's a lovely little town. I love it, love it,
I'm
love it.
looking at that little tree
tree
there. Beautiful.
And for your Saturday,
Wow.
if you're not already finding out, it is
God.
going to be mainly sunny.
They've obviously
and
had a storm
high of
here, look.
95. Grab
The city
sunscreen
park is that
all
way?
weekend
Had a storm
long.
there.
Yeah, look at this
Oh
little
yeah,
place.
look at this.
Oh, this is a ghost town almost, babe. Look at
It
it.
is, isn't it? Oh wow.
For Sunday,
Yeah,
it is
it's all
sun
shut
and
up by
sun
the looks of
more,
it.
and more sun on your Sunday. with a
Oh,
high of
tractors in
96.
that
Near
garage.
record temps and winds out of the south 15 to 25 miles per hour. And for your Monday, another
There's a few
hot
pickup
record
trucks.
temp chance at high of 99.
That's even out here
Winds out of
there.
the southwest 15 to 25
You imagine?
miles per hour.
I don't know why you imagine old folk just living here have been lived here years. Some of the cars are old. Look at that one's not lived in anymore. Wow. What little town was that?
I don't know.
Full City, we're going through there.
Yeah, and then on the way down, then
Is that
down
anything
to
to do with
Hiawatha. Yes, it was. I did read up briefly about it. When they built the city, there was a river that had a drop of about 4 foot,
Yeah.
so not much. So it was called Fall City. He said that now the river's eroded away. There is no waterfall there at all now.
Oh, there isn't. Oh, right, okay. Yeah, I've had a lot of water. And again, it looks like we've just picked the right time. Have the storms at night, that's fair enough.
We do seem to, in fact, fingers crossed, touch wood.